Hi everyone, today on Cooking Up Love we are making festive Mexican wedding cookies. We're celebrating the holidays and sharing our favorite Christmas cookie recipes. Watch for new videos every day and watch till the end for a special holiday treat. You may also know these little nut shortbread cookies as snowballs or Russian tea cakes. They're bite-sized favorites and they melt in your mouth. This is such an easy recipe. Here's everything you'll need to make them, and I've listed the ingredients and the recipe in the description box below. Now let me show you how we make these. First, set out your butter ahead of time to soften. Then finely chop a half cup of the nuts. I'm going to use a knife to chop these a little more finely. You could also use a food processor. And we'll add the other cup of chopped nuts later in the recipe. And today I'm using walnuts. You could also use pecans or almonds. I'm going to add just about 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt and grind it up a bit in a mortar and pestle, and then add it into the chopped nuts. Next, in a large bowl, add 16 tablespoons of softened salted butter. Beat the butter with a hand or a stand mixer for about a minute or two until it's smooth. Then add a half cup of granulated sugar and beat this on medium speed until the mixture is light and fluffy. Scrape down the sides of the bowl and measure out 1 cup of flour and beat on medium speed to blend. Then scrape down the sides of the bowl, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla and measure out 1 cup of flour and mix just until it's combined. Add the half cup of nuts that you've finely chopped and add 1 cup of chopped nuts. And beat the mixture until it's just blended. Divide the dough in half and wrap it in 2 separate packages. Place them in the refrigerator to chill for about 30 minutes. And here's a quick peek at some of the cookies you'll find in our Christmas cookie special. We're posting new recipes each day, and watch until the end for our special holiday gift to you. Okay, once the cookies have chilled, preheat the oven to 325 degrees. Roll out the dough into balls about 1 inch in size and place them on a parchment-lined baking sheet about 1/2 inch apart. Bake the cookies just until they're golden brown on the bottom and they'll be a very light golden brown on top. Let them cool for about 5 minutes on the baking sheet. Put about 1/2 cup of powdered sugar in a bowl and toss the warm cookies in the powdered sugar. Then let the powdered cookies cool completely on a wire rack. Once they're cooled, you can store them in an airtight container. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I've linked the playlist to all of our Christmas cookies here and in the description. Remember, we're adding more recipes every day. Watch all 25, share your favorites, and be sure to collect your holiday gift when we post the last one. Thank you for your support this year, and I'll see you in the next video.